Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Skechers Arc Fit reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Skechers Arc Fit is a famous shoe manufacturing company known for its varieties of shoes, like they sell boots, casuals, athletic sneakers, slip-on, sandals and lots more for men, women and for kids. If you want to take a look at the product category, then simply click the menu option button and you'll find women, men, kids, collection, clothing, sale, etc. Guys, this United States based website has garnered a lot of attention in the past few years, which is a good sign. Now let's talk about the payment information. So guys, according to our research, we found no info regarding the payment, and as well as I'm not able to view shipping information. Now guys, according to our study, there is no detailed information regarding the shipping information. So I think this is not a good sign. But anyways, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects. And talking about the domain name was created 26 years ago, which is a good sign. And the website scores high in the trust index and has a loyal customer base that vouches for the quality of its products. So I think this is an amazing thing regarding this website. Now guys, let's take a look at the About Us section. So when you click About Skechers, you'll find some categories like careers, corporate info, sustainability and social responsibility, commercials. So you can take a look at the entire sections for your knowledge. Here you'll find the brand history, about career, trends and the motto of this company. You'll find career opportunities as well. So you can read the entire information, guys. If you want to read, just click the About Us category. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So guys, here you can see there are some social media icons. This site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and YouTube, which is a good sign and shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, talking about the returns, let's take a look at the return policy. So here is the return policy. Just click this option and you will able to read the return policy or refund policy. So according to the site details, the returns are acceptable within 45 days from the date of delivered item. And let's check out the time frame of refund products. So guys, yeah, the return duration is 45 days, but there is no time frame. But guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product because it will give benefit to other customers as well. Now, talking about the customer reviews, guys, the company or the website has mixed reviews. Many customers think that they got a good deal after purchasing from this site, and some customers are satisfied with the quality of shoes. Some are disappointed with the late delivery and small such issues. So, there are mixed reviews. You can read the customer reviews for your convenience and knowledge. Guys, talking about the content and quality, it seems authentic, real, and genuine, which shows that the website is a legit and top brand. Now, guys, in the final conclusion, Skechers is a legit site and the Arc Fit collection on the website is excellent. And you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and at the last, thanks for giving the precious time. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.